Hello and welcome. I'm Max Wolf. We are at Pizza and Calzones here. We've got cars coming in, leaving. It's been a good day. We're on the new gimbal camera. So let me spin this round. I'll walk you down to the car park and we'll show you what's here. It's actually been a fairly good meet today. So we have the parking out the back here today. It's the first meet we've had of this. It rained very heavily earlier, but the weather's come out. It's turned out to be very nice in the end. So I've now got the proper filming gear out so we can actually do a nice walk around of what is actually here. Second time using this camera, so we'll see how it goes. Got Daniel's lovely GTX down here. You gotta love a Mopar. Let me go up this bank and I'll give you a little overview of the whole show. As I said, not the biggest of shows. It's the first one and it rained very heavy. You can see the ground soaked out. But let's go down here and have a look at this little Volkswagen van we got down here. Got a couple of bikes here. And I'm not entirely sure on this. Little Chevy truck here. All built up for the drag racing. I would assume anyway, considering what it's got on the inside. I need to get is it a polarizing filter? So I can see through the windows. Well, let's head round here to the supercharged Ford. I have never seen this out before. I want to see under the hood of this, because this sounded crazy coming in. If I can find the owner later, I'll get them to put the hood up on this, because it does look something special on this. So this is a bit of a different area for me, this meet. It's quite a bit out of our usual area. So a few different cars we haven't actually seen before. Have seen the flaming Chevy pickup out before. Not entirely sure what show it was last at. But we have seen this one out before. But you gotta love the paintwork. Nice 100E. So let's head down now into where this whole thing's main show section, but more of the main show section. One that we saw down at our Kiba convoy. We have Mopar police car. And let me know what you think of this new camera. This is the second time of me using it. I used it briefly at Cool Flow on Thursday after the rain subsided. So only the second time using this, so we'll see how it all goes. Very nice Volkswagen camper here. Is the window down on this side? Unfortunately not, but very nice. Even a little minifigure. And one, I don't know if we have any other metal flake cars here today, but one with lovely metal flake, normally with the roof down, with the rain, not today. Another one, can't remember where I've seen this last, but it was a while ago I saw this. I don't know if I have seen this in person. Not sure. We've got Hot Rod down here. Again, brave taking this out in this weather. But it's always good to see a nice mix of cars. So we have another one of the Lowrider type vehicles here. Taking up an entire parking space as they do. We get hot rod that fits nicely in the space, and the Mercury that's just a tad over. Wheels are in, so it does fit. And I don't actually think I have seen this Fury in person. But a matte black Mopar. Some people will know what I am getting at with matte black and Mopars. But first time I think I've seen this one in person. So very good seeing it out. As we come to one that we have seen out many a times. Been on a load of the convoys. It's usually down at the breakfast meet. Just awesome. Done quite a few photos of it as well. As I can see, Mr. DGP photography here. Let us spin this camera around in the nice new way.
Hey,
there we go.
Max, the sun's come out.
It is.
Oh, it's fantastic. Now the sun's out, I'm happy.
As am I. We've been drenched this morning, but now it's nice.
Enjoy. Catch you a lot later.
Yeah, you off fire?
I will be very shortly.
I shall catch you in a bit, mate. See you later. So Darren's off. Let me spin this back round and we'll continue walking around here, seeing what is here. I can't remember if the roof was down on this earlier. Looks fairly dry inside, so I think we've now, thankfully with the sun, can actually have a proper look around these cars. Mopar is at home today, as it was yesterday as well, down at Tanushi. We got soaked out down there. Probably way over 1,000 cars down there, so videos will be coming out from that very soon. We're also down Cool Flow on Thursday, another meet that I would have taken the Mopar out to, but again, it was raining very heavily. This is the UK for you. We don't have, good weather doesn't exist here. Like in the almost rainbow type blanket in there. And I don't think it was at Wheels Day. I think I may have seen this, it was either Wheels Day last year or Namco's I last seen this. But very, very nice. So let's head round now to the, I'll do these three here in a moment. We'll do the ones in the bottom car park down here and we'll head back up, and that should be us for today's meet. Another one I haven't seen out for a while. I think it wasn't Popham. That's coming up. I can't think of the name of the meet now. We've got it coming up next week or the week after. It was the Roy Pitters meet. I can't remember what it was though. Yeah, that's escaped me, the name has now. But I've seen this one. We were at Blackbush this morning. Wasn't there, it was there last month. Check out how small the steering wheel is here. Alright, I've got an iPhone 11 Pro Max here for scale. The steering wheel is crazy small on this. That's the other good thing, since I'm filming on the new camera as well, I can actually have my phone out and use that for other stuff opposed to filming. That and the phone has completely run out of storage. Ran out of storage last night at Tanushi, so I started doing live streams from there, because what do you do when you run out of storage on your phone and every other piece of camera equipment would get drenched? You start live streaming it. I think the window's down this side on the Nissan here, just a little bit. We've got a tiny little camera, so we can get in and out of these places nicely now. But it's a very, very different meet to what I've not normally get to. We always get to the classic meets, but cars I haven't seen out before. So not much left to film here. We'll get the last few in. Nice 3100. Next to a Mustang, but I must have seen it out at some point. But we saw Billy rolling in this. Very nice. Gary's, is it T-Bird or is it Thunderbird? No, the Thunderbird. Love this. Very nice looking lights on this when it's dark as well. Really cool motor. But I think that will bring us to the end of this show. I think I've got everything in that was down here. We'll have a quick, very quick walk up here. Let's have a look around, see if there's anything else we've missed. Don't think there is. I can see the hood up on the Fury. So I'm going to quickly and incognito get some shots of Mopar. As I think that's everything we've done down here. I'm good, mate, yeah? I think that is everything in the show so far. We'll get the Lotus in. We'll have a quick look up the car park, as I know the Challenger is up here. So I'm going to cut the video and we'll teleport over here to where the Challenger is. So I'm going to end this video on the Mopar that wasn't allowed into the show, apparently. I don't know why. It is a Mopar. How can you not like a Mopar? Now, to be fair, I have got to be unbiased. You know, we do like all brands of cars, but you know me, I am a Mopar man myself, so I'm always going to have a soft spot for them. I always say, it doesn't matter what you drive, it's the passion that counts. It's coming out to the meets and just enjoying it and meeting people. Don't matter what you drive, I'll go to any meet and film anything. If you like the car scene and you're a good person and out enjoying the day, that's what it's all about at the end of the day. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. We have the little Volkswagen leaving here. Let me film this for you. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't have any pizza yet, so I can't tell you what the pizzas are like. But yeah, it was a good meeting. I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be a lot more videos coming out from all different meets all over the place. So make sure to like and subscribe. Until the next video, see you later everyone. Bye.